Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to tell you and show you how to make a mask from a t-shirt. So in this video we just need a t-shirt and we are going to convert it into a mask. Earlier this video was shown by Ronit Roy on his Instagram as well as on Twitter. So I have just tried to do the same thing but in a proper way. So let's see if it is possible by us or not. So friends, as you saw, there was no requirement of fevical, scissor or sewing machine to make this mask. It was just so easy to make it as well as it looked trendy. Do make your own mask, tag us, like and subscribe this video, and don't forget to share this video with all.